Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am going to discuss with you on the topic Barsha the Great, which is from your 4th class English book. Dear students, there was Ahmad, Raja, Simran and Rian. They are cousins. All of them study in class 4th. They are fond of watching television. Dadaji calls them couch potatoes. He wants them to read different books. However, Ian thinks that all work and no play makes children dull. Simran believes children need to have a break from their routine. Ahmad is fond of stories. Raja proposes to play till Dadaji comes back from evening walk. Ahmad, Raja, Simran and Rian are playing. They are eagerly waiting for the evening when Dadaji shall tell them a story. First, Ahmed said, Dadaji said tonight he would narrate a wonderful story. Rian, oh no, you are mistaken. Dadaji said tonight he would tell us something about a king. Now Simran, yes, you are right. Dadaji said we always listen to stories but don't know anything about our state, Jammu and Kashmir. Ahmed, yes, Dadaji will narrate a tale about one of the greatest kings of Kashmir. Dadaji returns from evening walk. Dadaji told, now, come children, let you guys study. Children, oh no Dadaji, you promised a story about a king. Dadaji, oh yes, I forgot. Children, so what next? Dadaji, Kashmir has been ruled by many kings, cruel, kind and wise. One of the wisest king of Kashmir was Badsha, who is known for historic, administrative, civic and educational reforms coupled with a peaceful and prosperous reign of more than 50 years. Simran, who was Badsha? Dadaji, Shahi Khan, known as Zainul Abidin, was the 8th king of Shahmir dynasty. He was the 3rd son of Sultan Sikandar. His mother was Miraj. There was a battle between his elder brother Elisha and him. Raja, who won the battle? Dadaji, first Zainul Abidin came to power for only 3 months as his elder brother took away the kingdom from him. Later he consolidated his forces and fought the battle which he won. Simran, it means that he was braver than his brother. Dadaji, not just brave, but he was also intelligent and a good human being. He had developed friendly relations with Afghanistan, Iran, Iraq, Egypt, and Tibet. His reputation as a king was marked by the rulers of Bengal, Gujarat, Gwalior, Malwa, and Nasik. Raja, what is special about the king? Dadaji, indeed a lot. People gave him the title of Badsha, the greatest sovereign. In Kashmir, he is popularly called Badsha. Even after more than 500 years, he halved the tax paid by the people. He built many places of worship apart from colleges and universities. His university at Naushar flourished until 17th century. His priority was to provide basic facilities to the people. Simran, what are his other achievements? Dadaji, dear children, a king is always remembered for his contributions. He is just like a father to his people who must ensure all have food to eat, clothes to wear, and shelter to live. Ahmad, Dadaji, you forgot one thing. Dadaji, what? Ahmad, books to read. Dadaji, yes, of course. If we want to prosper, we must read or we will be left behind. Rian, for how you years did Badshah rule? Dadaji, he ruled for 52 years and this period is known for peace and development. His period is remembered for laying of a network of canals and water courses covering different regions of the state. Rian, did he also build something? Dadaji, yes, he built a magnificent 12-story wooden building at Naushar. Each story consisted of 50 rooms. Unfortunately, the building was gutted in fire. He also rebuilt the town of Sopor, which was also consumed in flames. He repaired and partly reconstructed the great Jamia Masjid at Navhata. Thank you, dear student.